It's a semi-automated, general-purpose, single-compartment unit with high-capacity compaction designed to pick up wheeled carts and loose material at the same time. The SL series offers the drive-up advantages of a side-load unit, positioning itself for minimal loading effort by a single operator. Less operator fatigue is encountered since fewer steps are required for loading compared to rear-load units. Plus, the commodities don't have to be moved as far. And with the Kann SL series, you have the option of dual side loading. That's right, a side load unit with dual side load capability. It's perfect for alley routes, narrow streets, or low traffic areas. The low 39-inch trough height provides easy loading with a minimum of lift for loose or bag material, reducing operator fatigue and assuring speedy pickup. And it's done without the need of a drop frame chassis. Plus, the semi-automated side loader comes with cart latches for the convenient, easy handling of wheel carts up to 500 pounds. A trough and cart latch on the curbside is standard equipment on Kann's SL series and can also be furnished as an option for the street side. 2 troughs per side are also available if desired. A cart tipper section can easily be replaced with a plastic trough section. Troughs come in a large 3/4 yard capacity, allowing more material to be collected before dumping. During the dump cycle, a roller guide system keeps the trough moving smoothly to the dump position, where the steep dump angle assures that all material is quickly and completely discharged. The fast recycle time brings the trough back into position in only a matter of seconds without delaying the pickup procedure. When the cart tipper is used, carts are simply pushed into the latch assembly where they are automatically secured for dumping. The cart is then lifted just as the trough is and dumped into the waiting compactor. Again, the steep dump angle assures that all material is dumped quickly and cleanly before it is returned to the loading area. The automatic latch then disengages and the wheel cart is returned to the customer's location. Each mechanism is individually controlled, so only the sections that need dumping are dumped, increasing vehicle efficiency. The simple push-button operation is done from a position out of harm's way, eliminating any potential danger to the operator. The Kann SL series is a high-capacity vehicle, available in 4 body sizes to accommodate most requirements. Each has a 4 cubic yard hopper and heavy-duty compactor. Once dumped, material is quickly compacted into the storage compartment. The compactor can be operated in the single-cycle mode or set to cycle continuously, whatever the operator prefers. The compactor blade penetrates the receiving container a full 10 inches for tight compaction and elimination of material feedback. It's guided by rollers mounted in double Timken roller bearings. Unlike many collection vehicles on the market, the operator doesn't have to stand idle waiting for the compactor to cycle because you can dump on top of the blade's follower cover. The loading trough or cart can be emptied at any time, and if the operator does dump during compaction, a wiper will clean material from the cover and push it into the hopper. The stretch skin curved body design provides maximum strength with fewer exterior reinforcements, which can add excessive weight, reducing haul capacity. The interior is clean and free from hang-ups, and all corners are radiused so material is thoroughly discharged. The chamber interior is also tapered 6 inches from front to back, allowing a relief and expansion room for a smooth flow as the commodities are dumped. These features, combined with a 51-degree dump angle, assure that the commodities are cleanly and quickly discharged. Plus, the compactor blade can be extended, providing an ejection force for those difficult loads. Naturally, the dumping is done hydraulically by heavy-duty cylinders, with plenty of lift capacity. However, the tailgate has manual safety pins that are used for transport and must be pulled prior to dumping. This safety feature provides protection from cylinder creeping. The tailgate is then opened and the body tipped to allow discharge of the material. Capacity is increased by the use of a bubble tailgate. This large 3 cubic yard extension easily withstands the high compaction ratio. Its 180-degree arc design and smooth surface allows commodities to effectively